Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Diego County Mountains. Wind advisory in effect from 11 a.m. this morning to 11 p.m. PVT Friday. Today, mostly sunny. High 71 to 80. Areas of winds last 20 to 30 miles an hour. Gusts to 40 miles an hour in the afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows 42 to 50. Areas of winds southwest 20 to 30 miles an hour. Thursday, partly cloudy in the morning.
Alright, so here are your results for today's test. So, the 259 and the HH went off for the test. The 12-521 went off for the test. The Recom R1630 went off for the test. The WR100 went off for the test. These two went off for unrecognized message. So did the WX67. The 12-991 went off for the test. Both zone guards went off for the test. This one did not go off for the test this time. And this one also went off for the test. For a weekly test. I'm assuming these went off for 6-hour events, unless I checked otherwise. The Kobe did activate for today's test. I'm not too sure if you were able to hear it. This activated for this did not activate for today's test. That's unusual. But anyways, yeah, that is I guess we figured out why. But anyways, that is the weekly test for May 19th. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's an hour-long event, apparently. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more content. That's it. Oh yeah, and the pineapple didn't activate either, which is unusual. But yeah, that's it.